Hello everyone and welcome back. Last month I asked you guys what doll you want me to do next, and majority of you seems to want more Barbies. So here you go. The theme of this video is all about ruched tops. So sit back and I hope you enjoy. Draw a trapezoid with the following measurements. And transfer it on the fabric. Make sure to add more allowance on the top and bottom of the trapezoid, at least 1 centimeter or more. Then fold the top and bottom. Stitch 4 straight lines onto the top. That will be the channel for our thread later. Get a string or embroidery thread and fuse the threads together with white glue. Let it dry, then insert the thread to the channel we mentioned earlier. Don't wanna wake up. This next one is something I've seen multiple times on Pinterest. First, hem all the edges.
I love holding you when we're sleeping. I love holding you when we're sleeping. Keep it coming, kissing and hugging. I love it.
And stitch the sleeves together. Now cut a small piece of fabric and sew it at the center. Like we did on the first top, insert the thread to the channels. apply glue so the threads won't come undone. Then sew Velcro at the back to finish the look.
Kissing and hugging, I love it. Tell me your dream. Tell me your dream.
While I hem the edges, if you made it this far in the video, why not give this a like and comment what you think so far.
Feels so good.
After sewing the top together, lay the side edges flat and sew it in place. Then put the thread inside those gaps.
I love it.
Oh, listen, honey, if I told you about the way that I felt, I wouldn't waste a minute if I had you.
And now we have the ruched on the sides.
We'd be walking in the moonlight, staying up till sunrise. Baby, you can let your walls come down. We'd be
Of course, the ruched detail is not exclusive to crop tops. You can also do it in a skirt. Make a simple pencil skirt.
if you want it, baby. If you got it bad, like I got it bad for you. If you got it bad, like I got it bad for you. Let me tell you about the way that I've been thinking about us.
And same as the top, sew a piece of fabric to the side.
Yeah. You wanted honesty, but couldn't find someone you could trust. So let me be your go-to. I could be the one.
Insert a thread inside.
Everything you want and more. I've been sitting on the sideline, waiting till the time's right. There's something about this moment, feels so pure. So I gotta know if you got it bad, like I got it bad for you. If you got it bad, like I got it bad for you. If you got it bad, like I got it bad for you. If you got it bad, like I got it bad for you.
Sew on the waistband.
Show me that, baby, it's down for it. Down for it. So give me your moment, show me that, baby, it's down for it. Down for it. If you got it bad, like I got it bad for you. If you got it bad, like I got it bad for you. If you got it bad, like I got it bad for you. If you got it bad, like I got it, like I got it, like I got it bad for you. Like I got it, like I got it bad for, like I got it bad for you. Oh, listen, honey, if I told you about the way that I felt,
Add snaps at the back and we're done.
wouldn't waste a minute if I had you all to myself. We'd be walking in the moonlight, staying up till sunrise. Baby,
And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more Barbie outfits, check out the previous videos I made here. Paalam!
I feel